Hi, I'm Gary Hughes with Century 21 Redwood, and this is Yogi. He's the hardest working dog in real estate. And no, we're not in Charleston, South Carolina, even though it may look like it. We're in Old Town Alexandria at Liberty Row. And in each building, there are only 20 units. It's really a community within a community. But enough of the chat. Let's go take a look. One of the great things about Liberty Row is that it's just steps away from some wonderful restaurants. Right here we have Woo Boy, St. Elmo's, and my favorite, Sister's Thai. And just a few blocks away from Liberty Row is a biking, hiking, walking path. That direction you can go all the way to Bethesda, and there you can go all the way down to Mount Vernon. And last but not least, this area looks empty now, but in the evening, you'll come here and enjoy cupcakes and cocktails with your neighbors. That's kind of like Charleston. Oh yeah, one last thing. This unit has secured parking. See ya.